children, us.
Na single.
Yes, ba't ako tinatanong yun? Parang, hindi ko naman relationship yan. Pero, I'm saying, they're both happy with their own lives. And wherever they are happy, I am happy there.
Pero kung magbibigay sila ng gift sa'yo, what would it be? For your debut, ha?
Gift na talaga yung presence ng father ko sa debut ko. That's really enough. With my mom, she's given way too much to even ask anything from her. And she's also very hands-on sa debut. Actually, siya ang mas pressured. Kasi feeling niya magre-reflect sa kanya. Diba? Sa kanya pa, hindi pa sa akin. So,
Siya yung mas tense.
siya ang mas tense. Yes.
Pero ba, Julia, kasi may lumabas na ang budget daw for the debut is 5M.
Feel ko insider yan eh. Huwag nga kayo. I don't know. I think that's...
Ano Rosette?
True ba yun?
True ba na 5M?
Basta I worked so hard just to be able to spend for a debut like this. Pinaghirapan ko siya.
Pero how much of your earned money ang igagastusin mo for the debut? And may sasagutin ba ang Star Magic?
How much? Tanungin niyo ang star match. Ayoko namang sagutin yung mga prices na yun. Nakakahiya. Baka sabihin magastos ako.
Hindi kasi di ba napabalita si Michael Cinco ang gagawa ng debut mo, ay ng gown mo.
Yes.
So how much yung gown?
Oh my, baka ma-offend naman si Michael. I-share ko sa inyo.
Pero
Bias.
sponsored ba to or ano?
It's not sponsored.
So ikaw din ang bibili.
Yes, it's actually a gift. Yes. Pero not sponsored.
Ang mami mo nag-share din para sa expenses and daddy mo.
No, not at all. Not at all. Huwag na, hindi na
So,
kailangan. Yes. I'm working na naman.
Oh, di ba? At least, di ba? Independent na si Julia. Now that you're 18 na, mag-18 na, may mga big leap ba sa career mo? As in, magmamature ka na, magpapasexy? Are you going to accept mga daring roles, kissing scenes?
It's something to meet with kasi, I mean, I can't speak too soon kasi wala pa naman. Iba talaga pag nandiyan na, di ba? Pag nandiyan na, pag-iisipan mo talaga. Kasi, opportunities come and go. You really have to embrace these. And that's why we have Star Magic. We talk about it with him.
Pero sino kinakonsult mo sa mga ganyang projects?
Mr. M, Miss Mariol, and my mom naman.
So pag sinabi ni mami na hindi pa pwedeng kissing scenes,
O di hindi pa pwede. Or siguro depende sa comfortability ko rin talaga to do these scenes. Kasi ako rin naman yung gagawa eh.
last question, anong next show mo after ng birthday special?
It will be under Dreamscape actually and to be announced soon. They told me, pero I can't announce anything yet now.
Ba teleserye?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Julia.
Thank you.
Thank you, Janice. Napakadami mong tanong. Alam mo na. Okay. Si Salve or si Tessa ang may susunod na tanong. Tito Mario Bautista, bago ang ating mga girls here.
Julia, you're still changing your family name. Di ba, there are folks who said na your popularity went down because you decided to change your family name and it angered your dad. So, are you still changing your family name?
Wow. We haven't even talked about this as a family. Pero okay, it's the first time I'm speaking about it that I made the decision and I'm actually sharing it first with you guys. I feel that right now there's really no need to change my last name. Yeah.
No need to change
No
your...
need anymore to change my last name.
Okay. And, kasi, nakipagbati ka na sa dad mo, and yet there are those who say that you're just using it for damage control. How do you feel about it?
How can they even think that way, honestly? How can you think that a young child wants to get everything okay again with her own father just for publicity? I can't even embrace that thought. Pero it's very false. He's my dad. Why wouldn't I want to be okay with my dad? Why wouldn't I be why wouldn't I want to be okay with my dad and have him there sa special day ko? I made things up with him because I want to be okay with my own father.
Wow.
Not for anybody.
Very good. And you're pitted against the other young actresses of ABS-CBN these days, diba? As we all know, there's a whole batch of new actresses being boosted in their respective careers. And how do you feel that they say that Liza Soberano has surpassed your popularity?
I'm sorry, what's the question? What do I feel?
Naunahan ka na raw ni Liza Soberano because sobrang nag-click yung Forevermore nila ni Enrique Hill.
The question is, how do I feel about it?
Yes.
Good for her. Good for her. I'm happy for her. But it doesn't mean I'm competing with her. It doesn't mean that she's my enemy. Magkasabay kami nagsimula, which means pag